राधिका को नाचने का शौक है, तो सोनाक्षी को रियल लाइफ में किस किस चीज़ का शौक है?
मुझे भी नाचने का शौक है, आई थिंक वो शायद आपको मेरे गानों में दिखाई देता होगा. आई एम रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ डांसिंग. नॉट I've not professionally trained in any particular art form, but बचपन से मुझे काफ़ी शौक रहा था. मैं बर्थडे पार्टीज़ में जाती थी तो पार्ट लेती थी डांस कंपटीशन में, और जब मुझे प्राइज़ नहीं मिलता था तो मैं बहुत गुस्सा होती थी. एंड आई थिंक अब जो जितनी भी बार मैं नहीं जीती हूँ उसके सारी भड़ास मैं अब निकाल रही हूँ स्क्रीन पर डांस कर करके. It was great working with Prabhu sir. As it is amazing working with Remo sir, and I would like to keep working with him again and again and again. जब मैं रिहर्सल हॉल में गई और जब मुझे ये हिप हॉप स्टाइल इंडियन सब मिक्सचर दिखाया, तब मैंने बोला ये भाई मुझसे नहीं होगा. तो they were like नहीं वेट ट्राई तो करो. तो I tried it and I think I got it. Yeah.
Hi Sonakshi,
I would
Prerna.
add to that. I think मैंने पहली बार काम किया है सोना के साथ, and I must say कि she is one of the best dancer we have in our country.
Absolutely.
She is.
She's very lucky for us, she got us
And
all
they
the
are
awards.
very lucky for me. They've always given me such amazing
From the
music.
first song, Tere Mas Mas Donen, to Radha, now you can just count Dang and Dang and all the songs.
I know.
So all dancing numbers.
But I would like to say something here. खैर ये तो she's like a family only. But working first time with Sanjay sir and Amit, it's a very good feeling and बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत अच्छा लगा काम करके. Amit, you are a very talented guy and इंशाल्लाह पूरी दुनिया देखेगी जब आपकी फिल्म चालू होगी. We really enjoyed working with both of you all. And Remo, and full 10 points to my friend Remo. Remo, thank you very much for designing my songs also.
पहले राधा बांसुरी के धुन पे नाचती थी, पर आजकल ऐसा है कि लाउड म्यूजिक पे. What have you to say? मतलब this is a modern version, you can say.
I guess so.
The same question is to Sajid Wajid also.
Radha has also moved ahead with times, and music तो music होता है, and अगर the louder the better. And
सिर्फ बांसुरी में माइक और एक सब ऊपर लगा दिया है और कुछ नहीं.
क्लासिकल डांसिंग मुझे देखना बहुत पसंद है. ऑफ कोर्स जैसे आपने माधुरी जी का नाम लिया, शी इज a phenomenal dancer, and I would love to be able to dance like her. Yes, they had asked me to lose weight for Tevar, which I took very seriously, and because Amit wanted me to look different than how I looked in my previous film, so he asked me to curl my hair. So I have curly hair in the film, and I've trimmed down a bit for the film. बोलो. हाँ, पोल खोल दो तुम्हारी. हाँ, इतना तंग किया है इस आदमी ने, बट जो नतीजा आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, I mean, वो देख के जब मैंने रशेस देखी
सही बोल रही
तो सब माफ. He is a true genius and one of the best directors that I've ever worked with. I don't think it has a raunchy feel, but it's a very क्या बोल रहे हो मैम, राधा कृष्णा का गाना है. How can you call it raunchy? It's very peppy. It's got
foot tapping.
Foot tapping. It's got great beats. It's actually a fusion of Indo and Western music as well as choreography. And I think everybody who's been a part of this song, everybody who's worked hard on this song has done such a fantastic job. Remo sir, thank you for giving me a new style of dance, and I've had so much fun while shooting this song. Remo sir and his team, of course, and thank you Sajid Wajid bhai. They've always given me great music, and this is just I think the best coming from all of them.
खर्चा खाली मुझे याद है, गाना जब खत्म हुआ था एंड वी वर स्टार्टिंग द सुपरमैन सॉन्ग, तो अर्जुन जब आया आगरा में बोला चाचू मेरे गाने के लिए कुछ पैसे बचे हैं कि नहीं. तो बस पैसे थे, पिक्चर भी बना दी, कंप्लीट हो गई. और अमित ने बहुत ज़बरदस्त पिक्चर बनाई एंड आई हैड द सपोर्ट ऑफ बोनी एंड इरोस, सो वी मेड अ ग्रेट फिल्म.
It was difficult, but Remo, Sonakshi, all the people who are involved, like Remo's crew and everybody, my producers, they made it so easy for me. My DOP and Kausar, my music director, everybody made this thing so easy for me that it was like a cakewalk.
इन सब के बीच में सबसे ज़्यादा I enjoy working with Boni sir. So please, big round of applause for Boni sir, because वो जब bully करते हैं ना, वो कोई नहीं कर सकता.
No, I'm going to stand in his defense. He's the sweetest producer I have ever worked with.
I'm talking in the sweetest way only. You should know how when he talks to me. Late 1:30 बजे 2 बजे जब फोन आएगा बोलेंगे वाजिद मियाँ आपने
I thought you would say 2 बजे तू सो रहा था क्या? पर रात को 2 बजे आदमी सोता ही है.
नहीं वो हमेशा उनका कुछ रहता है 3 बजे 4 बजे. But I love you sir and it was a always pleasure working with you sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
I would really like to thank Boni uncle and Sanjay Chachu for giving me this film and a song like Radha Nachegi on such a huge scale. I don't think anything that I've ever done before has looked this big and been done on such a large scale. So thank you so much.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.